Hey, what's up guys, it's Akila, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I apply my 3/4 wig. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is my natural hair. I didn't tell you guys, but I recently cut my hair and I cut off all the damaged ends. Okay, first we're going to start by sectioning off like the front perimeter of my hair. And I like to use a rat tail comb to do this. And then I take a rubber band to keep it sectioned off. Okay, now I'm pulling back my hair to get it out the way. Okay, here is the wig that I made. This hair is by rosabeauty, and this is how I constructed the wig. From here, I like to place the wig on my head to perfectly map out where I want my leave out. And after I do that, I like to make an anchor braid, and that's pretty much just making a braid around my leave out. This right here is like my favorite leave-in conditioner. I want my hair to be nicely moisturized while I have on a wig. I also use Eco Styler to stiffen the braid. Don't mind my sloppy braids. I suck at braiding, and it doesn't really matter because these braids aren't going to be showing. And then I do the other side of the braid, and I like to connect the two. Okay, now I'm going to section off my hair and repeat the same steps with the leave-in conditioner and the Eco Styler. Okay, now all my braids are all connected in the back, and I'm going to go ahead and flat iron my leave out. And to flat iron my leave out, I'm using my Nume flat iron. I'm going to spray a little hairspray on my hair. This hairspray isn't like a hardening spray. It just helps with the look of your hair when you're flat ironing it. Oh my gosh, a mess. Okay, now after my hair's all braided up, I could place the wig clips into my hair. And it's a perfect fit. I'm going for a middle part, so now I'm going to part my hair down the middle and like try to make my hair blend with the wig. Okay, now I'm going to section my hair off in half and pass the flat iron through it. I like to flat iron my hair using the chase method with the comb. I find that my hair gets a lot more straighter when I do that. By the way, this wig has 4 bundles in it, and it's 2 24s, 122 and 120 inch bundle. As you guys can see, my hair does not completely blend with the wig, and that's because when I cut my hair, I cut it so bluntly that it does not blend with anything. So I'm going to add tracks on both sides. Also, to help with the blend, I use this Crayon stick. It's a wax stick, and like when you put the flat iron on it, it completely like blends the hair together. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. As you can see, using the Crayon stick and adding the 2 extra tracks really helped with the blending of my hair to this wig. Now I'm going to do my edges. To do my edges, I like to use the 24-hour edge tamer by Eben. And to keep everything in place, I like to spray a little bit of the Got To Be hairspray. And then I tie my head with a satin scarf so everything could set. Okay guys, this is the final look, and this is like my signature hairstyle. 9 times out of 10, this is how my hair looks. All the products that I use in today's video will be listed down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I will see you next time. Bye guys.
ColourPop.